Hi, this is Christian Cantrell. I'm at the Adobe offices in Northern Virginia, and I just wanted to show you a couple things we've been working on. The first thing is this game called iReverse, which I did a video of last week. I showed it running on several devices, on several screens. This is another device here. This is a Lenovo X201 tablet running Windows 7. This belongs to Dan Kessler, who's doing the filming here. And this is a really nice laptop that we've really been enjoying. It's a nice, obviously, multi-touch screen, and this is using the multi-touch APIs in Air, which are available on Windows 7. So this is just, yet another screen that this application runs on, completely unchanged. The other thing I want to show you is another concept I've been working on. So this is iReverse on the iPad, which I showed in my previous video, but something I didn't show was this sort of new orientation concept. So a lot of applications on these kinds of devices have multiple orientation modes. So this is portrait mode, where you have your score on the top, and you have the name of the app at the top and your navigation buttons at the bottom. And when you go into the landscape mode, your scores move over here, and the title's up in the left-hand corner, and the buttons reorient themselves here. But I thought it would be interesting for these kinds of sort of digital board games is to have a third mode, which I call head-to-head mode. And when you put the game down flat and you wait a second, then you can see that the scores orient themselves to the sides here, and each player can sort of sit on either side of the screen and play in this head-to-head mode. And so the buttons are upside down here, and the right side up from our perspective here, and you have your scores and stuff like that. Now, the portrait and landscape is using the orientation change events and stage resize events. And this is sort of another concept which was developed. This head-to-head mode uses the accelerometer APIs themselves, so it just collects accelerometer data, looks for a certain threshold, and creates a sort of third mode. So this is a type of thing that I think is going to become more popular as more board games move to these kinds of devices, which they certainly are, because it's a really great experience. So this is just sort of a little hint of things to come. Thanks for watching.